You've been grinding day after day, filling your planner with tasks, sticky notes, and reminders. But when Friday rolls around, your bank account looks the same. It feels like running on a treadmill, sweating, moving, but never really getting anywhere. We were taught that being productive is the secret to success. But let's be real, most people aren't building wealth. They're just staying busy. The calendar is full, yet the wallet is empty. School drilled us on schedules, deadlines, and being on time, but no one taught us how to build real income. Even in corporate jobs, we're trained to fill our days with meetings instead of money moves. What if the very way you're using your planner is the reason you're stuck? Imagine if one simple shift could unlock a completely different financial reality. The bills keep piling up. Opportunities pass by while you're stuck in the same cycle. It's stressful, it's exhausting, and it feels like your time is slipping right through your hands. If nothing changes, the next 10 years will look exactly like the last 10. More hours, same paycheck. But if you shift how you plan, your $10,000 week could start right here. One small planner hack could make the difference between surviving on $1,000 a week and hitting $10,000 a week. I'm Max, and welcome to Max Focus Channel, our tagline. Rewire your mind, redesign your life. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm here to share strategies that have worked for people just like you. I'll walk you through step by step how a simple planner shift can multiply your results, boost your focus, and set you up for $10,000 weeks. Stay with me until the end, because missing even one step could cost you thousands. In this video, your $10,000 week could start with this planner hack. Most planners are broken. They're built to keep you busy, not to make you wealthy. You end up filling every square with tasks, but none of them move the needle on your income. Traditional planning is about managing time, but success is about managing value. It's not about how many hours you work, it's about whether those hours actually grow your business. Here's the shift. You don't just schedule tasks, you schedule value. We call this the value first method. Every day you choose the actions that directly feed your income, not just fill your calendar. Think of it like farming. You don't spend time watering weeds, you water the crops that will feed you. The more you focus on the right seeds, the bigger your harvest will be. Now imagine focusing on your top 3 income-generating actions every single day. Do that consistently, and those small steps compound into massive results. Like Tim Ferriss said, don't be busy, be productive. When you focus on value, your planner stops being a to-do list and becomes your $10,000 blueprint. Let's break down the $10,000 week so it feels real. If you divide it into 5 working days, that's about $2,000 a day. Suddenly, the big number feels much more possible when you see it step by step. Now imagine if you work just 30 hours a week. That's about $333 an hour. That's not fantasy, it's math. The key is focusing those hours on the right things, not just staying busy. But here's the reality: most people lose over 20 hours a week doing things that don't really move them forward. It's like running in circles and wondering why you're still in the same place. That wasted time is the gap between surviving and thriving. Think about it. 3 hours lost to checking emails could have been 3 hours pitching new clients. One builds your inbox, the other builds your income. The choice looks very different when you see it side by side. Picture your planner like a scoreboard. Every task you write down either gives you points or drains them. The question is, are you tracking the plays that actually win the game? So here's the hack. Stop tracking time like hours on a clock and start tracking your activities like dollars in your pocket. When you plan like that, every decision becomes sharper and more profitable. Imagine this: no more sleepless nights worrying about bills or debt. With $10,000 weeks, you can finally breathe and plan your life instead of just surviving. It's about peace of mind, not just numbers. Think about being able to take your family on that dream vacation. No more just scrolling travel deals, you're actually booking the tickets. Your kids remember the moments, not the money. Picture paying off your student loans and finally owning your own home. That's a weight lifted off your shoulders and replaced with pride. It's like closing one chapter and opening another with confidence. It's like upgrading from a rusty old bike to a sleek Tesla. You're still moving forward, but the ride feels totally different, smooth, fast, and exciting. That's what financial freedom feels like. The real gift of $10,000 weeks is time to be with your kids, your spouse, or even just yourself. Less stress means more laughter, more presence, more memories that last. Remember, money is just a tool. It can take you wherever you want, but you are still the driver. Use it wisely, and it will carry you to the life you've been dreaming of. That's the real power of this shift. Most people never hit $10,000 weeks because they're trapped in overplanning. They spend hours making perfect lists, but never take the bold actions that actually move the needle. Planning without execution is just a beautiful cage. Perfectionism is another trap. You wait until everything looks flawless before you move, but that delay costs you opportunities. Success loves speed, not perfection. Busy work feels productive, but it's just movement without progress. You check emails, shuffle papers, or tweak tiny things while avoiding the real money-making actions. It's like running in place but never moving forward. Your planner is either a weapon or a prison. Used the right way, it gives you freedom and focus. Used the wrong way, it traps you in endless cycles of unproductive activity. If you keep filling your days with low-value tasks, you'll stay stuck in the same spot. You'll feel busy but never break free. That's why most people never escape average results. Instead, you need to focus on revenue, not routine. Every action should be measured by the results it creates, not how long it takes. That's how you turn your planner into a tool for $10,000 weeks. Here's the step-by-step $10,000 planner hack. First, write down your top 3 money-making actions every single day. Think of it like highlighting the golden moves that actually grow your income, not just busy work. Step 2, schedule those 3 actions first thing in the morning. When you do the hardest and most profitable work before distractions kick in, you guarantee momentum for the whole day. Step 3, block out distractions. Turn off your phone, close the email, and create a bubble where nothing interrupts you. This is how you protect your focus and make real progress. Step 4, track your wins in dollars, not just in tasks. Because crossing off a list feels good, but seeing the money results feels way better. Measure your progress in real outcomes, not fake productivity. Think of it like being a pilot. First, you secure the destination where you're heading. Only after that do you worry about the snacks and small details. Big wins come from setting course first. Follow these 4 steps daily, and your planner transforms from just a notebook into a powerful income weapon. This is how you move closer to consistent $10,000 weeks. Start today, and future you will thank you. Meet Sarah, a freelancer from Austin. She used to work long hours, but no matter how hard she tried, her bank account never seemed to grow. Every day felt like running in place, lots of effort, little reward. Then she tried one simple shift, using her planner differently. Instead of filling it with endless to-do lists, she wrote down just 3 money-making actions each day. It felt strange at first, but she stuck with it. By the end of the month, her life looked completely different. She went from making just $1,500 to pulling in over $12,000. That single change in her planner unlocked opportunities she never imagined. Think of your planner like a GPS. If you don't set the right destination, you'll just drive in circles. But once you lock in the right goal, every step you take moves you closer to success. For Sarah, the biggest change wasn't just the money. It was how she felt less anxious, more confident, finally in control of her life. That feeling was priceless. And here's the truth, you don't have to start big. Even small, consistent steps can create massive results. If Sarah can do it, so can you. Peter Drucker once said, "What gets measured gets managed." Think about that. When you track your actions, you gain control over your results. Without measuring, success just floats out of reach. Bruce Lee said, "The successful warrior is the average man with laser-like focus." You don't need to be extraordinary, you just need extraordinary focus. That sharp focus can turn an ordinary day into a life-changing one. Focus combined with planning is pure power. Without planning, focus scatters. Without focus, planning is just paperwork. Imagine a spotlight versus a floodlight. A floodlight spreads everywhere but fades quickly. A spotlight, though, burns brighter and pierces the dark. Your planner can be your secret weapon. If you use it with precision, it becomes the sharp edge that cuts through confusion. It's not just a notebook, it's your sword for building wealth. So remember, measure your steps, focus like a laser, and plan with intention. That's how your $10,000 weeks begin, not with chance, but with clarity and power. Let's recap. The problem: planners filled with busy work. The solution: rewire your planner to focus on high-value, income-generating actions. The outcome: $10,000 weeks become possible. It's not about working harder, it's about planning smarter. If this resonated with you, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who needs this hack. Drop a comment below. What's the one planner habit you need to change today? This is Max with Max Focus Channel. Remember our tagline: rewire your mind, redesign your life. Until next time, keep your focus sharp and your dreams even sharper. I'll see you in the next video.